Not a good way to end the week on Wall Street. The Dow plummeted as soon as trading started this morning and ended the day off 390 points. Now we are finding out what the largest drop actually means for people just like you and me. News Center 7's Natalie Jovanovich live with that answer and what could be behind these fluctuations. Natalie.
It's likely the federal interest rate, which we all remember went up last month. Even though the stock market is down 1,600 points just this year, it's actually around the same number that it was at this time last year. Now we deal with the uncertainty of what comes next.
The stock market's been fairly stable since the financial crisis back in 2007 and 2008, in large part because of the support of the Federal Reserve and low interest rates. When the announcement came last month to raise the interest rate, the market lost the support it's had for the last several years.
It's working out to the new reality. The market's got a little bit of headwinds going forward, figuring out where's the right level given the lack of strong support they had before.
Jeffrey Haymond is the dean of the business school at Cedarville University. He says this fluctuation of the stock market is not surprising to him, and it should not affect those with a 401k or smaller singular investments.
Over the long term, you're going to be okay. Are you going to take some short-term hits? Absolutely. And this may be one of those times. How bad this will be and what the Fed's reaction is going to be and so forth, we really don't know.
Finance students at Cedarville track the market themselves here. But what if you don't have any investments? Does this news affect you at all? Haymond says yes.
We're a global economy now. We have to pay attention to what's going on overseas. The stock market is really indicating what the future is likely to be. In the face of higher interest rates, with the face of problems throughout the world, the conditions are not as favorable going forward.
We've all noticed those lower gas prices, oil prices. That commodity is one of those things that's going down. That's also playing a factor in the market's instability. It really all comes back to bringing the value of the dollar back now that interest rates are returning to what they once were. Reporting live at Cedarville University, Natalie Jovanovich, News Center 7.
And almost 1,000